Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel where we today are going to talk about NFTs and more specifically Solana NFTs, because Solana NFTs has been going crazy along with the Solana token itself has just been exploding, and this is mostly because of NFTs. Basically, Ethereum has a lot of problems right now, mostly with gas fees and slow transactions. If I were to buy an NFT for let's say $200 on OpenSea, which is the biggest marketplace on Ethereum, I might have to pay like $300 or $400 just for gas fees, which is insane and it's unsustainable. No one wants to do that. So a lot of people has been going over to Solana and Cardano NFTs, but mostly Solana. Solana NFTs has been exploding. So today I'm going to talk about what I've been buying over the past week, basically, because I started trading Solana NFTs about a week ago now. I'm going to talk about some of the projects that have already launched that I'm super bullish on, and some of the up and coming projects that I will try to mint and that I think has massive potential in the Solana ecosystem. But first of all, let's take a look at the market and specifically Solana. As you can see, Bitcoin is staying above 50k, which is super nice, obviously. But look at Solana. Solana has been the most hype coin over the past month or two, maybe even. So it's just crazy. As you can see, the past week, 63% gains. The past month, 300% gains. And I'm super glad I've been holding Solana for a while. I think my average price is like $35. So that's a nice like 4x over the past 2 months basically. And the thing is, even though Solana has exploded, I still think it can go a lot higher, because I think NFT demand will just keep rising on Solana. There's still a long time until Ethereum 2.0 launches, and that's when these gas fees will finally get fixed. But until then, other platforms like Cardano and Solana can take a lot of market share from Ethereum. So I'm not selling any of my Solanas yet. I might take some profit soon, but I'm not quite ready for that yet. Now, first of all, if you haven't traded Solana NFTs yet, the three biggest marketplaces are basically SolanaArt, you have Digital Eyes, and you have Solsea. Solsea is the newest one, and I think Solsea will become the biggest one too. It's basically the OpenSea just for Solana. This actually launched today when I'm recording this video, so super exciting. It looks pretty good so far. I've been using mostly SolanaArt because that's the best one out of Digital Eyes and Solana, because Solsea obviously got released today. And as you can see right here, these are all Solana NFTs, and the Degenerate Ape Academy is currently the biggest project on Solana. They're currently trading for approximately 90 Solanas. But yeah, Degen Apes has been rising a lot. You have Aurori, which was probably the most hyped up mint project last week. They actually got minted last week. I think the floor started at like 50 Solanas. So that would have been a quick like 10x or something if you were able to mint them. But right now the floor has gone down to 18 Solanas. Then you have Soul Bears, which I have made most of my money on. You might know that there has been a lot of rumors and bad things happening to Soul Bears. Luckily, I did not hold any Soul Bears during all of this mess. I got in early. I bought my first one at like 11 Solanas, I think, and then it went up to like 19. I sold. Then I bought in again at like 22. It went up to 28. I sold. I've made some decent profit from Soul Bears, but right now I would not buy Soul Bears because there has been a lot of bad things happening to this project. But basically, from these projects that are currently released, I'm mostly bullish on Degen Ape Academy. It is expensive, you might not afford it, and that's completely fine. I think it will become the Bored Ape Yacht Club of Solana. We easily can see Degen Ape Academy go up to like 150 Sol floor pretty quickly. Obviously not financial advice, take your own risk and do not risk any more Solanas than you can afford to lose. Now, the most interesting about the NFT market is obviously the up and coming projects that you can mint, because those are the ones with the highest rewards. And honestly, the project I'm mostly bullish on Solana right now is called Rogue Sharks. Now, this has a lot of hype and I think it will do super well. I think it's pretty unique. Obviously, a lot of these Solana projects are just ripoffs from Ethereum NFTs, but Rogue Sharks, I think will do really well. They have a large community. So this is definitely a project I will look out for on Solana and that I will try to mint myself. There's no release date yet, but it will happen in September, so stay tuned for that. Now, right now, I'm not really too bullish on any other projects on Solana. There's no project that has like a lot of hype launching soon, at least. So you obviously had Aurora last week. I tried to mint it, but I wasn't able to, unfortunately. But the next Aurora, I think, will be Rogue Sharks. So definitely super bullish on that. Now, if you want to see more NFT content on the channel, especially Cardano and Solana NFT content, definitely smash that like and tell me down in the comment section if you want to see it. I might even start an NFT trading series where I try to trade my way from, let's say, 10 Solanas up to 100 Solanas, something like that. If you want to see that, tell me down in the comment section. Or if there's anything else you want to see, maybe more content on Cardano NFTs. And obviously, before we end the video, if you haven't heard about Torum, it's a brand new cryptocurrency social media platform built only for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and cryptocurrency content. And they're actually IDOing mid-September. So if you want to get in on this project early and just sign up, I will leave my referral link down in the description and you will receive 35 free XDM tokens. So if you want some tokens before their IDO, definitely check that out and make sure to follow me as well. They currently have almost 100,000 users, so I definitely believe in this project as well. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more NFT content, smash that like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later. Peace.